Who is Blackpink's Park Taeyoung, aka Roseanne, or as many people know her as, Rosé. Born in Auckland, New Zealand to Korean immigrant parents, Rosé and her family moved to Australia in 2004, where she attended school and began learning guitar and piano. After auditioning for YG Entertainment in Australia in 2012, she passed and moved to South Korea. During that time, she appeared on G-Dragon's song Without You, which peaked at number 15 on the Circle chart, and continued training for 4 years until finally debuting with Blackpink in 2016. Her solo debut in 2021 broke several YouTube records at the time, accumulating 41.6 million views. On the Ground also became the first Korean solo song to hit number 1 on the Global 200 and Global excluding the US charts in the US. The song was also included in multiple year-end lists for Best New K-Pop Songs of 2021 and won multiple awards, including 2 Guinness World Records. Also heavily involved in the FLC industry, Rosé made history along with former label mate CL by becoming the first female K-pop idols to attend the Met Gala in 2021. She also became Yves Saint Laurent's first global ambassador in nearly 60 years and is also a global ambassador for Tiffany & Company. Did you know Rosé is left-handed but plays the guitar with her right hand?